Hello everyone. Today I have an unboxing for you from Donna Bass. These are diamond painting pins. They are two separate orders. One is from an order where I purchased blanks, had them sent to Donna, and she turned the pins for me. The second one is from a pin drop where I put my name on a list to be randomly selected as a winner to be able to purchase the pin. So I'm gonna get right down to it and show you. Ta-da! So I'm gonna do the first order that I placed, which was two hand-turned pins. This is the company card. Bass Custom Arts, LLC by Donna Bass, owner. And it has the email. It has a neat little picture of some of the pins. On the back, it shows some of their information. Donna Bass Pins on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. At Bass Custom Arts, LLC. Custom diamond painting pins and more by Donna Bass. Blank drops, pen drops, random giveaways. So on their Facebook group, which is Custom Diamond Painting Pins and More by Donna Bass, you can join that Facebook group and you'll have access to all of these things that they do. This order came with 2 Tootsie Pops, and these are the inserts for the ends of the pins, a straightener and a single placer for both of them. I ordered 2 pens, and these I went to sawdustdesigns.org. I bought the pen blanks and they sent them over to Donna Bass for her to turn them for me. There's a few different companies that you can buy the pin blanks from. This was the one that I chose. I like this sticker on here that says handmade with love. That's really cute. And it's packaged really well with bubble wrap. After Sawdust Designs sent the pin blanks to Donna, she sent me a picture that she received them. This is the picture. Donna asked me what I wanted the pins to look like, if I had a specific shape or thickness. And I told her crafter's choice because this is the first time I've ordered any custom pins. And so I didn't really have a great idea of what I wanted. I just wanted her to kind of have the creative flow that she wanted to have, and then from there I might be able to have a better idea of what I like to see in a diamond pin. So here are some pictures that she sent me from when she was turning the pins. And here is a couple of short previews of what they ended up looking like. And from there, she sent me a message, basically, well, actually, it was her husband, Justin, that sent me that message. And basically, it said that the tips that they currently have in stock were singles and straighteners, asked if I wanted a single and a straightener per pin, or if I just wanted a single, or if I just wanted a straightener, or if I didn't want any tips. And since this is my first one, I wanted both for each of them. So now I'm going to actually open them and see what they look like. Oh, these are really taped up in there. I may have to go get some scissors. And nah, I'll just rip into it. my goodness. This is so pretty. Oh, look at that. You can see at the end right there is a little bee. Oh my gosh, I am so thrilled because when I ended up picking out this pin blank, I really like bees. My first name begins with a B. And so, I don't know, I've just had a thing for bees because it just kind of flows with that. And so when I saw this pin blank, I thought, oh, that kind of reminds me of honey and the whole bee theme. I mean, these are little circles in here, but it just, that's what it reminded me of. So that is so cool that there's actually a little bee on that end. Oh my goodness. So I really, really like this pin. And I think it'll be really fun to work with. This is really pretty. And there's glitter and sparkliness in there. I don't know which end to put on which end. But how exciting. Okay, I'm going to see the other one. Oh, that's so neat. As you can see, it's kind of the same design really, but just a different color. But I thought this was kind of oceany, like these were little bubbles, and I thought that was fun. That would be a fun look. Oh, I like the grip on that one really well. Oh my goodness, how fun. How fun. I'm gonna go ahead and put these tips in there. I'm just gonna kind of randomly choose which side each of them go on. Oh, how fun. Oh my goodness. I love this. Oh, I love it. How many of you guys out there have ever gotten custom pins made? And what did you think about it? And where did you get them from? I'd love to know. Oh, those just feel so cool. Okay. So for this one, came with a card again. Same information. Tootsie Pop. Blackberry flavor. What were the flavors of the other ones? Blueberry and black cherry. Fancy. So this one came with some ends as well. I got a single placer and a multi-placer. This multi-placer looks like maybe a 5 or a 6. We'll see. This one came from a Pen Pop, and basically what they do is they post a picture and a little video of it turned around so you can kind of see what it looks like. A Pen Pop, and it'll give a price, and to enter for a chance to buy it, you put a number down. Everybody puts a number in the order of what the previous number, the next number of what the previous number was. So the first person will put 1, the next person will put 2, the next person will put 3, and out of those they draw a number for who wins buying the pin. So this one is called Spiced Snow, and I won the Pen Pop for this one. And I'm told that the blank comes from France, which is really cool. But when I saw this, I was definitely like, yeah, I would love to buy that one. I really like naturey things. So this is the pen. And as you can see, there are little pine cones in there, some cinnamon. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. Oh, how weird. I don't know what it is about it, but this one smells really good. And this top up here is really neat. It kind of reminds me of honeycomb, like I said, bees. So I really wanted to buy this when I saw it, and I got to buy it. This I think is going to end up being my favorite pen. I absolutely love this pen. So let's stick the ends in. Where did that other single placer go? There it is. There we go. So pretty. Oh my goodness. What a wonderful job of making these pens, you know? I mean, truly. So those are my orders from Donna Bass Pens. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'm gonna go do some diamond painting. Talk to you later. Bye.